Ugia City Stars ni ahotani a Mbĩtĩka cia muthako wa goalball iria itafanĩirio thukuru-inĩ wa Kenya Science kwambĩrĩria muthenya wa ira. Timu ĩno neria ĩrĩ na ũmenyeru mũnene ĩgũthire timu ya University ya Nairobi na point 9-4 faino-inĩ ya arũme. Mwena wa airĩtu timu ya Nairobi yagũtha Karaba na point 9-7. Ngucanio-inĩ ici kĩama gĩa Kĩsavi gĩgĩcihũthĩra gũcagũra timu ya bũrũri.
So ideally what we are doing, these are a national championship which we are doing on all the counties. We've previously done in Kiambu, we've done in Kericho, we've done in Bomet. Today we are in Nairobi and we want to go around all the counties so that we are able to get those talents and also spread the word of goalball to every corner of this country. Currently, the government of Kenya through the Sports Fund is our only financier. So they've been supporting us. But normally you realize that they support us from the point of we've come up with the national team, so they support us from that point. But now for an activity like this, we've depended on individuals and even ourselves to be able to raise the necessary funding to be able to run this event.